I have been going to SRK Universe every year,
जी.
cutting his cake with them. It's become a tradition. I was eating my favorite scrambled eggs and toast.
Okay.
And I said, "Are you hungry?" He said, "Yes." So I ordered scrambled eggs and toast for him. We ate. He said, "Where are you going?" I said, "Mera to Sunday hai." There's a cinema called Sterling. James Cameron's Abyss is playing.
Oh.
And it had just installed a new Dolby system.
Yes, first time.
So I said, अभी कल से तो editing वगैरह start हो जाएगी. I will be very busy. So maybe if I get the time, I will sneak in. एक ticket तो कहीं से मिल जाएगी. He said, मैं भी आता हूँ. We came out. He said, I've run out of money. Give me $100. I'll go home. Home was where? It was Aziz Mirza's office in Bandra. So I said, I didn't have money. दिनों में 300-400 रुपए.
100 तो चले गए पिक्चर में.
His favorite things start with C.
Okay.
Cola, coffee, cigarette,
And cinema.
chicken, cinema, and Gauri Sane mein chipa.
Okay.
Party going on the ground floor.
अच्छा.
It was cheap booze flowing like water. You know, punch, पता नहीं क्या क्या.
Free booze.
हाँ तो party.
हाँ.
We got into my car. I was dropping him to the airport. We stopped the car in the middle. He went to the fields and he vomited everything out. He looks at me and he says, "You know, Vivek, my mother is dying." I said, "You don't want to do films?" He said, "I want to do them now because it was my mother's dream that I become a superstar."
Yeah.
So for her dream to be fulfilled, I have to become an actor.
Radio Nasha.
हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज योर बॉलीवुड स्पाई यानी कि आरजे दिव्य सोलकम. रेडियो नशा पे हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं शाहरुख खान का माइलस्टोन बर्थडे, साथ ही सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं शाहरुख खान फैन फेस्ट. और आज ना मेरे साथ जो इंसान मौजूद है, मैं कहूँगा कि अक्सर हमने देखा है कि जो सुपरस्टार्स होते हैं उनके साथ कोई ना कोई इनिशियल फेज में जो उनकी जर्नी जब शुरू होती है, उनकी जर्नी जब इस तरह से एस्केलेट होती है, कोई ना कोई उनके साथ जुड़ा हुआ रहता. दिलीप कुमार साहब के साथ देख लीजिए, बच्चन साहब के साथ देख लीजिए, और अब बारी है शाहरुख खान की. एंड दैट्स द रीजन वी हैव विद अस एक्टर, डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर विवेक वासवानी.
Thank you, Divya. Thank you so much.
विवेक, ये चीज अगेन आपने भी देखा है कि यूसुफ साहब जब आए थे तब उन्हें भी पूरा का पूरा सपोर्ट जो था बॉम्बे टॉकीज के साइड से. बच्चन साहब के लिए अनवर अली वाज देयर
Very much.
जिस तरह से. तो उस हिसाब से शाहरुख की जब भी हम बात करेंगे, आई थिंक जब तक शाहरुख की बात होती रहेगी आपकी बात होगी. बिकॉज पहले तो सारे शाहरुख खान फैन क्लब्स ये कहते हैं कि थैंक यू विवेक वासवानी फॉर गिविंग अस शाहरुख खान.
Actually, you're right. I have been going to SRK Universe every year,
जी.
cutting his cake with them. It's become a tradition now.
मुझे कुछ कितने लोगों ने कहा है कि जब भी आपके साथ पिक्चर्स या हम डालते हैं तो उनका आता है प्लीज टेल हिम थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग अस शाहरुख खान. या ऑफ कोर्स.
You're welcome.
बट विवेक, शुरू करते हैं शुरुआत से. ऑफ कोर्स वो पहली मुलाकात एक जो हुई थी आप लोगों की कोई फिल्म के शूटिंग के सेट पे हुई थी. एंड यू वर फेमिलियर ऑफ हिज वर्क, राइट? आपके कॉमन फ्रेंड्स भी थे.
Actually, I did not know him at all.
ओके.
I had seen maybe one episode of Fauji. We were at the last phase of shooting of Patthar Ke Phool.
राइट.
Maybe the last day was on a Sunday, and we were sitting at the Bandra International Coffee Shop.
ओके.
And if I am not mistaken, Harun Mirza had brought Shahrukh, and they were sitting somewhere behind us. And Sanjay Gupta walked around and met him and said, "I would like to introduce you to Vivek Vaswani." So he came to my table. He said hi. I said hi. He went back inside. I would have thought nothing of it.
सॉरी.
रात हो गई थी. On that Sunday, shooting started. तो vans, trucks.
हाँ, पूरा बसड़.
तो संजय गुप्ता से तू एक काम कर. You go and sit in that same coffee shop. AC है. You are also a film star. You'll just distract them. तुम तो कुछ करते थे. मैं हूँ अनंत है. जाके बैठो. Sunday है. So I went and sat at the Bandra International Coffee Shop. And the waiter came and said, "Sir, there's one." And very proudly, TV star बैठे हैं. उसको सिगरेट चाहिए. अब माफ करना, टीवी स्टार तो मैं भी हूँ. मुझे तो recognize ही नहीं किया. And he says, मैं कहा ठीक है ले लो. Then I didn't even look. Then he came to my table. He said, "I'm Shahrukh." I said, "Yeah, we had met something, but that was a 30-second meeting." He said, "Can I have another cigarette?" I said, "Take as many as you want, cigarettes." And then he sat at my table I was eating my favorite scrambled eggs and toast.
Okay.
Scrambled eggs is a anyway. We will not get into that. नहीं तो 10 minute आपके scrambled eggs पे लग जाएंगे. And I said, "Are you hungry?" He said, "Yes." So I ordered scrambled eggs and toast for him. We ate. We had more cigarettes. We had coffee. We had a second cup of coffee. तब तक 6 बज गए. Pack-up हो गया. सलमान रवीना ने बाय बाय बोल के अपनी अपनी गाड़ी में. And Anant Balani, Sanjay Gupta, Sanjay Gadvi, all of them said, "Good shoot. Wrap up. Let's meet tomorrow and fine tune a final edit कैसा करना है." It must have been the end of November.
Okay.
And we were looking at a Feb-March release.
Hmm.
Deepak Sehgal was the editor of the film. Today he's the head of Applause. So Deepak was very, very clear. You give me enough time. I was fine. They left. I said, "Okay, bye." He said, "Where are you going?" I said, "Mera to Sunday hai." There's a cinema called Sterling. James Cameron's Abyss is playing.
Oh.
And it had just installed a new Dolby system.
Yes, first time.
So I said, अभी कल से तो editing वगैरह start हो जाएगी. I will be very busy. So maybe if I get the time, I will sneak in. एक ticket तो कहीं से मिल जाएगा. He said, मैं भी आता हूँ. मैंने कहा आ जाओ. So both of us got into my father's old car, Fiat.
Okay.
And from Bandra, Hill Road, we drove to Sterling Cinema.
Wow.
We parked. Houseful तो था ही था. It was what they call the late night creme de la creme show.
Okay. 10:15.
10:15. And I bought in black. Then we bought
कितने
another
की टिकट थी?
black वाली. अरे यार 50-50.
Oh.
Then I bought another packet of classic. He would only smoke classic. That also cost about 10 rupees for the packet or something. I don't know. Then we went in. We saw the movie. It was fabulous. 70 Dolby. The whole film was set in an abyss which was underwater. And James Cameron was a master. We were both transfixed. I think the first bond that happens of friendship is when two people enjoy cinema on the big
क्या
screen.
बात है मतलब
There's a joy to sitting with someone who really loves cinema.
seriously.
Or sit and watch it alone.
Huh.
But never watch it with friends who are doing this
Yeah,
and
chit-chatting.
gossiping and chit-chatting. We sat in silence for 3 hours. It was a long film. We came out. He said, "I've run out of money. Give me $100. I'll go home." Home was where? It was Aziz Mirza's office in Bandra, in a building called Georgina. That was the office of Rogo Pag, Saeed, Kundan, Aziz. They were all making circus.
Correct.
He had come to Bombay to act in circus, which is why he was staying in their office. So I said, I didn't have money. I mean, उन दिनों में 300-400 रुपए बहुत
100 तो
होते।
चले गए पिक्चर में. Black
पिक्चर
में.
में गए, सिगरेट्स में गए, बैंड्रा इंटरनेशनल में मैंने कॉफी के लिए पैसे दिए, स्क्रैम्बल्ड एग्स के लिए पैसे दिए, तो पैसे तो खत्म हो गए. तो मैंने कहा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, गाड़ी में बैठो. Those days there was no traffic. I said, I'll drop you. 1 बजे रात के, it'll take me 20 minutes to Bandra and then 30 minutes home. There was no petrol. पेट्रोल ही नहीं था. तो मैंने कहा यार पेट्रोल भी नहीं है, पैसे भी नहीं, काम कर, मैं बगल में रहता हूँ कफ परेड में, आप आइए मेरे साथ. My mother has insomnia. She will not be sleeping. We'll take 100 rupees from her. You can okay. So we went home. That day she was asleep.
अरे
You see, the whole universe was conspiring. I think.
जी.
कि पैसे भी नहीं है, पेट्रोल भी नहीं है, माँ भी सोई हुई है. तो मैंने कहा एक काम करो, I'll give you a pair of shorts. Sleep. कल सुबह उठ के हम लोग चले जाएंगे. वैसे भी मुझे काम पे जाना है. CP Films I had to be by 10 o'clock. He said okay. So he changed. Then दो लोग हैं, नए नए दोस्ती है, पिक्चर देखे हैं, एबिस डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, तो 3 तो बज गए. Finally we slept. In the morning he was fast asleep. I didn't have the heart to wake him. I think at the back of my head there was this thought that he has been sleeping in somebody's office. He's not really had a very comfortable bed, so I
शांति से.
I told my mother, I said, Mom, my friend is with me. His name is Shahrukh. He's sleeping. Whenever he gets up, let him have breakfast, let him have coffee, and give him 100 rupees and no money. He has to go back to Bandra. मुझे क्या पता शूटिंग है, क्या है, कैसे है, कुछ नहीं. उन दिनों में कोई मोबाइल तो है नहीं.
Correct.
So if he disappeared, they, Saeed and all would have no clue where to find him. ना मोबाइल है, ना कुछ है. They didn't even know I existed. 6-6:30 बजे मैं घर आ गया. I said, Mom, has he gone? She said, no. I said, why not? She said, he hasn't woken up.
अच्छा सो ही रहे थे. Oh God.
So 2 बार she said, मैं दोपहर को गई, देखा इतने मतलब ढंग की नींद सो रहा था. मैंने कहा चलो छोड़ो. मैंने कहा बहुत हो गया ढंग की नींद. 6:30 बज गए शाम की. 12 घंटे सोया. So I woke him up. I said, it's 6:30. He said, it's too early. I said, no, it's 6:30 in the evening. Then he was putting on, I said, no clothes. Bath. He said, दिल्ली में हम नहाते नहीं हैं. विंटर में तो बिल्कुल नहाते नहीं. मैंने कहा वो विंटर में दिल्ली है, ये डालामल पार्क है, कफ परेड है. My mother will kick our ass if we sit on the dining table without a bath. So we had a bath. I gave him a fresh t-shirt. I wasn't that fat in those days. In fact, I was quite skinny. And then we waited for dinner. Dal chawal, roti, sabzi. He said, yaar, vegetarian.
अच्छा.
मैंने कहा सोमवार के दिन हम वेजिटेरियन है भाई, क्या करें. He said, नहीं, बाहर चल के खाना खाते हैं. मैंने कहा चलो. But we had to wait for my father because he had taken the car. The daddy घर आए. I said, this is my friend Shahrukh. My father is a very polite man. Hello, how are you? सब हो गया. Come eat. I said, no, Dad, we're going out for dinner. We went to Gaylord in Churchgate. That was a very emotional night because we sat there. We ordered what we were both addicted to, which was Coca-Cola.
Okay.
Or Thumbs Up or Pepsi. We
Cola.
were addicted.
Basically cola. हाँ.
And butter chicken, his favorite. And chicken tikka. And tandoori chicken. All things chicken. I've always told him, I must tell you as an aside, that his favorite things start with C.
Okay.
Cola, coffee, cigarette,
And cinema.
chicken, cinema, and Gauri Sani mein chibba.
Okay.
All the C's I've listed for him and he admits it.
Yeah.
You know? And then we sat down, the tandoori chicken came, we ate. He had not eaten the whole day. पूरा दिन सोया हुआ था. और उससे पहले तो दोपहर को स्क्रैम्बल्ड एग्स खाए थे.
ओ 1.5 दिन तक कुछ
1.5
नहीं.
दिन तक कुछ नहीं. तो स्क्रैम्बल्ड एग्स तो छोड़ो, अभी तंदूरी चिकन, चिकन टिक्का, बटर चिकन. We ate for 20 minutes until एक पहला एक जो भूख का था. And then he looks at me. And I will still not forget this. He looks at me and he says, you know, Vivek, my mother is dying. So I didn't want to say anything because when someone says your mother is dying, it's a very inadequate feeling.
Yeah.
तो मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला. चुपचाप मैंने खाना खा रहे थे, लेकिन हो गया था. मैंने कॉफी मंगवाया. In those days there was something called Kona coffee. We used to get it. And then he told me how she had multiple organ disease. She was in hospital. He had a sister called Lala Rukh and Shahnaz Lala Rukh, who was not married yet. And he had a girlfriend called Gauri. Gauri was in Delhi. They had decided to get married. मतलब पूरा एक जो कभी शायद किसी को बताया नहीं था,
खुल गया
वो पूरा निकलता गया. 10 बज गए, 11 बज गए, 12 बज गए. गेलॉर्ड वालों ने कहा भाई चलो. So we went out. We bought a fresh packet of cigarettes.
Okay.
I knew it would be a long night. And we went and sat on Marine Drive. Gaylord से अगर आप सामने जाएंगे तो Marine Drive है. And we sat on the parapet, on the ledge, and we carried on talking, and we carried on talking, and we carried on talking. You know, on cycle वाले आते हैं कॉफी लेकर.
जी.
I don't know how many of those cycle wale coffees we drank. We finished our cigarettes. We went home. I didn't even want to tell him, now you go back and sleep in somebody's office. And he came home and we both went to sleep. His friend Raman was coming from Delhi. Raman was a pilot. He said, I want to introduce you to Raman. So let's go and meet him in his hotel. So we went to the hotel. I think it was the Taj or it was, I can't remember, but it was one of those Air India.
Okay.
And he was very clear, यहाँ पे तो ताज का खाना मिलेगा. So ताज का खाना कुछ नहीं, बटर चिकन, तंदूरी चिकन, चिकन खाया, कॉफी पिया. We sat with Raman, who was a very nice guy, who's a friend even now. I met him at Shahrukh's birthday, and they're all very fond of him, of course. And then we went back home and we slept. So there was no question of going back. By now he had stayed 3 days. My parents, सारी चीजें, कपड़े भी नहीं लाए. We were just using my clothes. And then I think next day onwards there was shooting. So he said, what do we do? I said, nothing. I'll drop you to shooting. And I will come and pick you up from shooting. There's no question of it. Yeah, okay. It was, I don't know, you know, with some people, very few, maybe once or twice in my life, you don't have to say, it is understood that there is a friendship.
Yeah.
And it's a friendship that will last.
दिल का connection जो.
Dil ka connection. And then he stayed until, I think it was A few days before Christmas, he had to go back to Delhi. And he packed his bags. I still remember that very clearly. We packed the bags. We were on the way to the airport. We were invited to La Papillon building where Jackie used to live. Where Zeenat Aman used to live. On the 3rd floor. I think Mazhar had invited me.
Yeah.
So we said, let's go and see. So there was one party going on the ground floor.
अच्छा.
वो रिसेप्शन के बगल में सब बच्चे डांस कर रहे थे. तो शाहरुख खान भी also danced.
बेगानी पार्टी में.
बेगानी तो नहीं, मज़ा था. We did him.
Okay.
We didn't know anyone. And we drank excess. Whereas it was cheap booze flowing like water. You know, punch, पता नहीं क्या क्या था.
Free booze.
हाँ तो पार्टी.
Okay.
And anyway, we got into my car. I was dropping him to the airport. We stopped the car in the middle. उन दिनों में to reach the airport, there was a little bit of a jungle. There were long fields on both sides and you had to go through. And we stopped the car. I opened it. He went to the fields and he vomited everything out. It just came out. More stress than anything else. I waited. We sat in the car. And then I dropped him to the airport. And then when his mother was unwell, he went. She was really serious. And he called me and he needed some medicines. I borrowed from my father money. And he said, Raman is coming. Go to the airport and give him the medicines. I did that. And then I said, what am I doing here? So I got onto a flight. I told him I was coming and I reached Gautam Nagar. And nice house. I met Lala. I met Gauri. Next day I went to the hospital. I met him, his mother. I held her hand and I sat. She couldn't speak by then. She was saying, Shahrukh, ye wo, theek hai. At that point, Vikram Malhotra called up. I don't know if you remember, there was a producer called Vikram Malhotra. He was producing 2 films. One was Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na with Kundan.
Correct.
And the other one was Maya Mem Saab with Ketan. Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na was way in the distance. They were very clear that they wanted a star, so they were not even considering him.
अच्छा.
And in any case, he didn't want to act. I talked about this.
Yeah, you.
He was very clear that I'm happy to do TV. And Gauri
मुझे फिल्म करनी ही नहीं है.
नहीं करनी है. Because, क्यों? Because I have to hug girls and Gauri will not like it.
Romantic king कहता है ये.
हाँ, he said, no, she doesn't like it, she doesn't like it. I said, I didn't even push him. I was okay. And विक्रम मल्होत्रा कौन है? तो दिल्ली में हो ही तो कुफरी में which is somewhere near Dalhousie if I'm not
Shimla.
Shimla, somewhere near Shimla. 3 दिन की शूटिंग है, चलो. He said चलो. मैंने कहा कहाँ? मैं कहाँ चलूँगा? He said चलो. There is snow, it's very nice, hotel देंगे. You'll stay in my room, no? Like, we went, we were there for 3 days. I watched him shoot. I met Ketan Mehta for the first time. They were shooting for Maya Mem Saab. But it was not a film that he or me remembered. I only remembered a couple of days ago when I was talking. Because he would shoot and then they would stop and they would shoot and they would stop. So it came way after a whole bunch of his other movies.
Okay, so ये this is much before Dil Ashna Hai and
much
Raju.
before Raju, much before his mother died.
Wow.
But this was an art film and I think
Yeah.
Saeed Mirza must have told him to ye kar le. Ketan is an art film director.
True.
This will not cost you anything. It's treated like TV.
He must have thought it might be a telefilm or something like that.
Because there was another film also that he had done at the same time.
Correct.
Which was Money Calls Emak.
Idiot.
Yeah, Dostoevsky's Idiot as Emak. Which they were shooting in some chawls of Bombay near Central Cinema.
And वो भी तो थी ना, in which Annie gave those away.
That was like a college.
But all these were TV films.
And then we went to Kufri for 3 days. I was there with him. We came back from Kufri and I got straight out of the train and he took me straight to the airport because I was catching my flight. And we sat at the airport. Vivek Khushlani came to the airport. Raman came to the airport. Gauri came to the airport. They were all there to meet him. They said bye to me and I came back to Mumbai. A few days later, his mother died. He talked to me on the phone. ठीक है. I thought that was the end of an era, end of a chapter. But a week after that, or maybe 10 days after that, I don't remember, the bell rings at 4 in the morning and he's there standing with big bags.
Oh.
सारा बोरिया बिस्तर पैक करके आ गया बॉम्बे. So he doesn't come in. He says, will you make a film with me? Not will you launch me or anything, because you've already done films, TV, who am I to launch anybody? But will you do a film with me? I said, you don't want to do films. He said, I want to do them now. Because it was my mother's dream that I become a superstar.
Yeah.
So for her dream to be fulfilled, I have to become an actor. And I cannot go to anyone else the way I can come to you and say that you must make a film with me. I okay. Come in. He said, no, first you promise. Otherwise I'm not coming. Where will he go at 4 in the morning? Just, मैंने कहा ठीक है. We left the bags there in my house. We went straight down to the President Hotel, ordered Kona coffee.
Favorite.
And Raju Bangia Gentleman was born over there.
Wow.
We discussed what kind of a film, action film, kya karna hai. He says, no, Raju Bangia Gentleman, because it was, and then we decided, he said, Kundan keeps on saying to me, यार शाहरुख तेरे साथ पिक्चर बनानी है, लेकिन तू स्टार नहीं है. मेरे प्रोड्यूसर को स्टार चाहिए. तो I'm so sorry I can't work. So if Kundan doesn't think I'm a star, I don't work with him. Okay. मैंने कहा Saeed Mirza. He said, no, Saeed will make an art film. I said, okay. Who? So finally we decided on Aziz Mirza.
Okay.
I said, but he's never directed before. तो मुंह पे उसने मुझे बोला, Anant Balani had never directed before. What is your issue?
You did Patthar. Yeah.
Huh? So I said, I have no issue. I want you to have a good launch. He said, करते थे. सिप्पी साहब ने तो threw me out. या तो दिमाग खराब हो गया.
अच्छा.
Threw me out. Those were tough days because he's staying in my house. I know how difficult it is to be grateful to someone continuously. And he needed a career. So then I said, let's give him a career. So I started taking him everywhere. But we went to China Garden, my favorite restaurant, great food. We met Rakesh Roshan.
Okay. हाँ ये Rakesh Roshan spoke about this, correct?
And we met Rakesh Roshan. Rakesh Roshan told me, bring Vivek, bring Shah Rukh to my office. And he didn't only sign King Uncle, but he signed a 3-film contract. Now I have a little strength कि एक Rakesh Roshan
है.
And then Rajiv Mehra, who had funded my Gavahi, he was making a film called Chamatkar. His casting was Nasiruddin Shah and Sachin. So मैंने कहा, sir, Sachin, he said, क्या करें? The right role, the right actor is Rishi Kapoor. But Rishi Kapoor is a little expensive. You know, I want to make a smaller film. तो Sachin, मैंने कहा, setup तो बनता नहीं है. He said, no, Sachin is very talented. Of course Sachin is very talented. He's a great friend of mine. So I said, I have another option. I took Shah Rukh. We went to Natraj studio. उन दोनों में Natraj में Shakti Da, FC Mehra, Ramanand Sagar, Atma Ram, Guru Dutt Films. 4-5 of them were owners of Natraj studio. Okay. And they each had their little cottage. Okay. You know. So we went to the Natraj studio's office. He read for Chamatkar. He signed Chamatkar. Then the most hilarious incident, which I must tell you about, is Hema Malini called him. And it was the funniest conversation. My father is sitting down. That was the day I realized I was in the industry because Hema Malini called my house. So my father, the dream girl, and says, hello. She says, hello. That Vivek Vaswani is there. Yeah. So my father says, who's speaking? She says, Hema Malini. So my father says, Hema Malini who? Oh God. So she says, Hema Malini superstar. Oh. She actually said that. So my father quietly comes. I'm sleeping. Shah Rukh is sleeping. He's waking me up. Vivek, Hema Malini is on the phone. She wants to talk. Dad, tell her to call later. He actually picked me by my collar. Said, Hema Malini is on the phone. And by the time I reached the phone, he had woken my mother. Hema Malini is on the phone. Hema Malini is on the phone. I mean, for me, finally, that Hema Malini is calling me became a big thing in the house. Vivek, kahin to. So she calls me. You are that boy, Vivek Vaswani. I said, yes. That Shah Rukh Khan boy, he's still sleeping with you. So I said, yes. Go wake him up. So I knew exactly what she was talking about. So I went, Shah Rukh, Hema Malini is on the phone. Hema Malini is on the phone. Tell her to call later. I picked him by the collar. I said, Hema Malini is on the phone. So he, hello boy, you come at 5:30 to my house. That Vaswani will bring you. And she put the phone down. He said, she said, as it is, you made me do King Uncle and Chamatkar. I said, say no. We'll go, we'll meet her. That is respect. We will respect Hema ji.
Of course.
नहीं करनी है पिक्चर वो अलग बात है.
जी.
ना मैं तुम्हारा सेक्रेटरी हूँ, ना मैं तुम्हारा एजेंट हूँ, ना मुझे एक पैसे का फायदा है इसमें. करो करो नहीं करो नहीं करो, लेकिन जाके मिलना इज्जत है. We went to a house, Joe Villepaldi's, beautifully done, and we were sitting like two mice on the dining table, like two little chuas. We were sitting like this, and other side there was this man, silk kurta, lungi, akhbar पढ़ रहा था, चश्मा था. We didn't recognize for 5 minutes, but when he put it down, it was Dharmendra.
Oh God, he
I
man.
was, oh, this is Dharmendra. Shahrukh also.
Of course, yeah.
ऐसे बैठा था, सिल्क लुंगी, सिल्क कुर्ता, ऐसे अखबार. He did something like this. Then Hema ji came. She was wearing a blood red lehenga and churidar. She had just had a bath. Her hair was wet. It was a vision the way she came down.
Yeah.
And she came and sat. She says, "But you are very ugly," she's telling him. Okay, doesn't matter. I said, "But why do you want him?" She said, "What to do?" Amir said no. Salman said no. So I was told that Rakesh Roshan has signed him. I said yes. Sippy Saab is also signing him. I said yes. That was a lie. That so when I need to give people careers, I can lie like a king. And she said, "Okay, I'll not pay you. 50,000 rupees I'll give you. And you have to give me dates. And I'm Hema Malini. And there's no question." Okay. And she called her secretary and said, 5,000 ka check bana ke saab ko dena. Not saab, boy. So she had a Morat immediately. She already had Jitendra, Mithun Chakravarti, Amrita Singh, Dimple Kapadia, Sonu Walia, Kabir Bedi, Divya Bharti. With a big grace, he said yes to these films. So let me tell you, though Raju was always his launch film,
Ji.
the first Moharat was Dil Ashna Hai.
Yeah, correct.
The first shoot was King Uncle in Nairobi.
Okay.
Because Rakesh Roshan had gone there for Khel. तो he said, मैं वहाँ हूँ, अनिल और माधुरी के 3 दिन का गैप है, तुम इसको और नगमा को भेज दो, हम लोग एक गाना वहाँ शूट करेंगे.
इस जहाँ की नहीं.
इस जहाँ की नहीं तुम्हारी आंखें. तो first Moharat was Dil Ashna Hai. The first shoot was King Uncle. The first release was Deewana.
Of course, because वो तो बन गई थी पूरी. His part was left.
But the first film will always be Raju बन गए थे.
Yeah.
Sippy Saab gave me an ultimatum. He said, "You make a film. I'm not saying don't make as many films. You made me a profit on Patthar Ki Phool. You make the next film with Salman. Who will say no?" I said, "But I've committed to Shah Rukh." He said, "That is not a commitment. He's an actor. He's getting other work. Commitment for me." And I was told, go to Vivek Mishra. So I went to Madan Arora. Shah Rukh was made to sit outside the door. I went inside and went. Madanji was handling Vivek and Manisha for Subhash Ghai. They were being launched in Saudakar. So Shah Rukh was made to wait. And I was very categorically told that Subhash ji has said that 10 lakh ka price दोनों का होगा. ना तो कोई बोलेगा नहीं सिंपल फिल्म्स है. So he said, तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब हो गया, 10 lakh मैं दूंगा. So that also chapter went. I went to Amir very sweetly and very sadly. He was shooting for a Lux ad with Shekhar Kapoor at Natraj Studios. I told Amir, I said, "Amir, Sippy Films." And I'll be honest, I won't lie. Aziz has written me a damn good script. You will love it. I can't lie to you. I want it for Shah Rukh. But how can anyone say no to GP Sippy? Master that man is. He smiled. He said, "Vivek, I'm saying yes. I'm doing the film. Tell Sippy Saab that Nasir Hussain का भतीजा हूँ. मैं सिपी साहब को कभी डिसरिस्पेक्ट नहीं करूँगा. पिक्चर तो मैं कर रहा हूँ. 1 साल तक डेट्स नहीं.
Oh.
तो तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब है. And finally, I will tell you how this happened. We were sitting in the middle of the rains in August. It was pouring with rain, and finally Shah Rukh and me had a big fight. He said, "This is not happening. You made me sign all these other movies so that we can make Raju. Raju is my film. It's my baby. It's being written for me. I'm the author back role. You are the producer. What is that?" He said, "Chalo abhi se piece aapke saath. Have a showdown now. Sunday afternoon, 5 o'clock. We all know he'll be sitting at home. He'll be watching TV. He was a TV addict.
Okay.
Chalo, I said, "Oh, I also got..." Chalo.
Chalo.
And we walked up Altamont Road. Sippy Saab saw us. And he said, "Tum mere living room mein nahi aao. Pehle jaake sukho." And then there was this whole thing. Then finally, the bottom line, I still remember the dialogue. He said, "But what happens if this film loses money?" I lost it. I said, "I'm making the biggest hit of the year. You're talking about losing money."
प्रोड्यूसर को जवाब दिया।
मैंने बोला, मैंने कहा आई एम नॉट, लॉसेस तो बहुत दूर की, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ मच मनी यू विल अर्न. Okay, let me think, come tomorrow. Next day, I signed a paper saying that I will waive all the profits of Patthar Ki Phool. Not take a single rupee. Even there was a partner in that because I had not taken a fee or a salary or even conveyance. And I would get that money back from the profit of Raju Bangajan.
बाप रे।
He said, तुमने बोला ना profit. Put your money by your mouth. I didn't think twice, but I didn't tell Shahrukh. I think it's the first time we're talking about this in public. I signed the document and I said, with this, sir, I am going to start shooting. Keep the money ready. कितना है budget? पत्थर की पुल बहुत महंगी पिक्चर थी, 60 lakhs. So I know that at that time Salim Saab had taken 7 lakhs. And even though we had signed Salman for 50,000 or lakh because of मैंने प्यार किया releasing, that had also gone up to 7. तो 14 लाख वहां से निकालो, तो मैंने कहा मैं 40 में बनाऊंगा. अब मेरा डायरेक्टर क्या बोलेगा, कुछ नहीं. Aziz said, बच्चे, I love you, 40 lakhs, we have to launch this boy. I said, Aziz, now we're going to do it. We won't eat, we won't sleep. Shahrukh 50,000, Aziz 50,000, Vivek Oswani 0. Juhi did it for 4.5 lakhs. Amrita for 2.5 lakhs.
And Nana?
Oh, he was the only one who was very expensive.
Oh.
He says, Sippy ko bolo main 6 lakh lunga.
बाप रे।
And he said, when I was leaving, he said, सुनो, मैं 6 लाख इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पिक्चर करनी है, ये नहीं कि मुझे पिक्चर नहीं करनी है. तो सिप्पी साहब तो of course as usual every day was a new rocket. He was hitting the roof and
6
coming
लाख?
down. दिमाग खराब हो गया, bloody like this. But I got the cast I wanted. I had a budget, and we made the film, and the rest is history.
Of course.
And I must tell you one after note on this. Shah Rukh has a very important person in his organization who managed everything, Karuna Badwal. She's Madan Arora's daughter.
Oh, क्या circle.
So
Wow.
she remembered when I went and sat with her that I had gone to her father and her boss, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, was waiting outside her father's office.
क्या life है. This is like a movie ना, पूरा film, super hit film की कहानी.
You know, when I talk, everyone thinks, यार कैसे बोल रहा है? How is this true? Every word is true. I'm putting it on record here.
Yeah.
But this is the way we painstakingly, brick by brick, we built Shah Rukh's career.
Radio Nasha.